We had a customer over in Canada sign up for a free trial last week, and within a few hours of signing up, the ReelFlow player was live on their website, which was very cool to see. And we often get great feedback from customers on how easy it is to add the product to their website or landing pages, build an interactive video flow, as we call them, and then publish to the website. So with my product marketing hat on today, I thought I'd do a very quick live demo of this in action. So we've built this new page to go live on our own website, ReelFlow.com, and I'm now going to build and publish a quick flow to this specific page. Now, two quick things to note before I actually do this. The first one is the install code for ReelFlow is already embedded on our website, as you'd expect. But this is a very quick process, a single line of code that gets added to the head of a site, in our case through Webflow. And then number two, I've already created the two videos that I want to use in this particular flow. So they're ready and uploaded into my video library, which you'll see in a second. Okay, so here I am in the ReelFlow workspace, and I'm going to hit build a flow. And this will give me a couple of options here. Ask me which type of ReelFlow player I'd like to use. I'm going to use an overlay player. So this will be the small overlay that you see in the bottom right hand corner of this page. Okay, this takes me into the flow builder. So firstly, I'm going to give my flow a name. Then I'm going to specify which URL I want this player to be published on, this new page on our site. And I'd like the player to appear immediately. I then come back into the flow builder itself. So first up, I'm going to choose the first video that I want to appear in the flow. So I open up here, it's this video one. This will now add that video into the flow as the first step. And it will also update the eye catcher. That's the little preview of the ReelFlow player that you see on the page. So I'm now just going to add some additional information to these steps. Okay, so I've updated the information on both the eye catcher and the first step of the flow. I'm now going to configure the interactive elements of this flow, the first button. In this case, I'd like to play another video. So I want this to show and play the next video, and I'm going to select this one from the library, which is this video here. And then the action get started button, which in this case, I would like to scroll down the page to a section on the page called get started. And I'm going to add this same button on the first step. And that completes my flow for this particular page. And once I'm happy with that, I can now preview the flow. I can see and open up the ReelFlow player, check that these two steps work. So learn more, we'll play the next video in the flow, get started, drops me down to the call to action on this particular page. So I'm happy with that. So I now come back over to the flow builder and I am happy. So I'm going to hit publish. And that will now publish to the live site. And here we are. This is now live on ReelFlow.com. Simple as that. So if you've got this far, thank you very much for watching. Would love to hear your thoughts. And of course, give me a shout if you'd like to take a closer look or sign up for a free trial. I'll put the link in the comments below.